In this video, I'll show you how to build a dashboard in Airtable Interfaces. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base you want to use. From the top of the base, click Interfaces, then select Create to start a new interface. Next, choose Dashboard if it's available, or start with a blank interface and add the elements you need. Give your interface a name, then select the table or data source that will power your dashboard. After that, begin adding components such as charts, metrics, record lists, and filters. Arrange each element on the page so the most important information is easy to find. You can also add interactive filters, allowing users to view specific records or data based on their needs. Now customize the appearance of your dashboard by resizing components, changing layouts, and adjusting the displayed fields. Preview the interface to make sure all charts and records display the correct information and that everything is easy to navigate. Finally, click Publish to make your dashboard available to your team. You can return to the Interfaces section anytime to update the layout, add new components, or adjust your dashboard as your data changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a dashboard in Airtable Interfaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.